Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing Happy Skin and POSH Nails Express Gel Polish 2-in-1 Base plus Color Limited Edition Set of 4 Nail Polish Collection. I received this collection from POSH Nails as a prize through a giveaway on Instagram. And together with it is their Nail Day Kit. If you haven't seen my video unboxing of this one yet, the link is available on the description box below. Okay, so we have this box set here. I'm loving the cute pattern of the box, and the color combination is way too adorable too. Okay, so here's the back of the box. You can find the ingredients here and how to use the product. And I'll read you more of the information on the box as I peel off the sticker seal of each bottle. So it says here, a pioneer in the nail industry, POSH Nails has been the home of your favorite celebrities for nail pampering. With the brand's iconic pink, lilac, and white interiors, they've perfected the fusion of fun, feminine, and comfortable. To celebrate its 16th anniversary, POSH Nails is giving women the essential polish colors every woman needs. Rooted in their years of experience in all things nails, the Happy Skin POSH Nails collection features the must-have polish colors of red, white, pink, and nude. Each bottle of Happy Skin Express Gel is free from the top 10 toxic ingredients, featuring a unique rounded fine brush type. The 2-in-1 base plus color effortlessly coats nail with color and provides great coverage. The polish dries quickly and cures in natural light. No UV lamp needed. Despite being long-wearing, it can be easily removed just like an ordinary nail polish. Pair it with our top coat for a gel-like mirror shine finish. Now let's swatch each shade. First is TLC. By the way, I've already applied a peel-off nail mask before swatching the nail polish. Now I'm applying the second coat. TLC has a nude shade that reminds me of Frappuccino. The second shade is Luxe. It already looks so good with one coat, but let's apply another. With the second coat application, the shade Luxe appears a tone darker. If you want to have that striking red shade to remain, one coat is enough. Third shade is Pampered. Now for the second coat. It's still a bit patchy on some parts, maybe because my nail is a bit longer than usual, and I guess if you have a shorter nail, 2 coats is enough. Pampered is your go-to classic white shade. And lastly, we have is Posh. And for the second coat of Posh. I'm applying a third coat for a more opaque finish. Posh has a milky white pink shade. And here are the classic shades from Happy Skin and Posh Nails. This set has 4 of the must-have classic shades. These nail polishes are made in Korea. They are also 10 free. And they are gel-like nail polishes that does not need UV lamp for drying. The bottles are super cute and stylish. Each bottle contains 11 ml. Their nail polishes features a rounded fan-type brush. They have a long wearing formula and it really does dry quickly. And it says, this express gel polish is loaded with hydrolyzed keratin, which helps make nails longer and healthy looking. Special almond oil helps moisturize and nourish. This formula is also formaldehyde-free and was not tested on animals. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!